much of a figure with that.
Foraging cage. Oh yeah, we have created here a foraging cage. It's nothing much. It's okay for a lazy Sunday afternoon. Ain't that right, Einstein? Ain't that right, Einstein? Show us how it works. Puppy's showing us. Puppy's showing us. Tell us a little bit about this foraging cage. What are you gonna do to get a nut? Where is the nut? It's in those little Dixie cups hanging on leather string. That's right. And they have to pull up on the leather string to get the nut in the Dixie cup. Einstein was doing it before the camera came out. But now she's too busy looking at the camera, looking pretty. Look at Puppy. Puppy's busy. Puppy's busy. Come on, Einstein. Come on, Puppy. Do something with yourselves. I swear, Einstein was pulling on the rope and getting the nut, but she dropped it. And now she's having a dramatic pause for the camera. To be or not to be? To forage or not to forage? That is the question. Yeah. Some of the foraging things are inside the cage, and some are hanging outside the cage. And they have to pull on the string to get the nut. Puppy got, let's see what Puppy's got. She's got a, what is that? Cashew? She's got cashew. She's lucky. That's one of her favorites. They're not all filled with cashews. They're filled with different varieties. Some they're favorite nuts, some they're not. Some of them aren't your favorite. But it gives them something to do. It gives them something to do.